Hello, Klasse 10. I thought I'd just make a little video to explain exactly what you need to do for the verbs task. So hopefully you would have already opened the PowerPoint and flipped through. So some important verbs, they're going to be important for when we get back together. So haben, to have, and you've got all the forms of haben. Ich habe, du hast, sie, es, man hat, he or she or it or one has, ihr habt, so you guys, plural, have, wir haben, we have, sie haben, they have, and capital S, sie haben, you, formal have. If you have a look up here, haben, okay, that's what we call the infinitive. That is the verb as you see it in the dictionary. So when you write the English for it, always make sure you have to have. Yeah, not just have, but to have. So if we scroll down, we've got sein, to be. Ich bin. Können, to be able to. Ich kann. Mögen, to like. Ich mag. Okay, and questions and answers. So you'll see that where we've got the questions, the verb comes first. Hast du einen Bruder? Bist du 15 Jahre alt? Magst du Schokolade? Kannst du Deutsch sprechen? Sprichst du Deutsch? So these two mean the same thing more or less. I just wanted to use the verbs differently. So where you've got a question, instead of du hast, we swap it round. Hast du. Okay. So now here you need to complete the table. Okay. So basically, kommt aus der Schweiz. Lernt eine Fremdsprache. Okay, so here you'd have to find the English for these because there's a gap there. Here you've got a gap and you've got the English over this side. So here you obviously need to write the German. Here you've got the German. Treibt viel Sport. He does a lot of sport. Goes there. Alright, where do you find those answers? You go to this document here. Okay. Kommt aus der Schweiz. Ich liebe dich. Lernt eine Fremdsprache. Ich spiele nicht gern Tennis. Und so weiter und so weiter. Yeah. So basically, they're all the German parts. And when you go down, you've got the English. But they're all mixed up, so you've got to make sure that you're sure of which ones to use. Okay? And there are all sorts of different ways of doing that, and I'll let you work that out, okay? Because you're going to be exploring ways of doing this. Okay? Hopefully that's a little bit clearer, and hopefully you'll have had a little bit of fun with the Verbs Kahoot challenge as well. Let me know if it's still not clear, or if you want any other work, or if you've got any other queries, and hopefully I'll see you on Thursday. Cheers!